Hello, and namaste. Do you feel that there is a lot of confusion about mental health in the recent times? And do you feel that how much ever you read about mental health, the mental health does not improve? Yes? So do you feel that? Then this video is just for you. Hi and namaste. I am Sachin Hebar, creator of the Self Healers Hub, on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals live a healthier, happier, and a more fulfilled life through the ancient Indian science of Ayurveda. And Ayurveda is the integration of body, mind, and soul, and it stresses on a healthy gut, and it gives us the statement state of a well-being is determined by how you live and eat. Okay, so today I want to go into the best secret to increase your mental health 5x. Today's topic is that, so watch this video completely till the end and implement this particular secret in your lives. Okay, do not miss to implement this, because again there will be a lot of confusions coming up, but if you start implementing this secret, let me assure you mental health will start improving. Okay, so what is it? What is the secret about it? So let's go ahead and understand it in the scientific way. Firstly, when you have the anatomy of the human body, you can see that the number of nerves coming from the eyes to the brain, whichever is going from the eyes to the brain, it is far more than what it's going from the other receptors, other senses. Okay, the five senses we have, right? From the eyes, the nerves are a big lot which connects to the brain, but through the other senses it's not a lot. So understand that when you are understanding that eyes give the major sensory input to the brain, you have to understand one thing, that whatever you see impacts you much more than whatever you hear, or listen, yes, or you speak. Let me repeat, whatever you see impacts you directly more than what you hear or what you speak. So why that happens is due to the sensory inputs going from the eyes to the brain is huge compared to other senses. Yes. So you have to understand and train what goes into your mind, what you see. What are you seeing daily what are you putting into your mind daily? Very important. So now if you are again watching the negative news, or if you're watching negative consumption of social media, if you're watching all the negative news on social media, then what you can do is you can start the, what I call the cleanup, digital cleanup. Start the digital cleanup from your social media. So what is the digital cleanup is, go ahead and check what are the feeds, what are the pages you are following is pushing negative content, or content which is making you feel bad about the surrounding world and about your colleagues and friends and fellow humans. What are the pages that are making you feel like that? You have to get rid of that, unfollow them. So I also unfollowed many political pages. Now I do not follow. I used to follow a lot, now I don't. Okay, so I did the digital cleanup. So I unfollowed all those, you know political pages, and now I only follow one or two, if to just to know about the situation, what is going on. So one, you need to make the digital cleanup. So that way you control, and you are giving a clear instruction to the social media that, hey boss, I want to see this. You're giving the social media instruction that I want to see this. So do a digital cleanup. Let me write it, that it's there for you. Do a digital cleanup. Okay. If you are going to do it, type will do in the comment box. Yeah, or type DC, digital cleanup. Type DC in the comment box. Okay. If you're going to do that. And guys, if you're watching this live, type live in the comment box. If you're watching it on replay, type replay. What I want you to do is, like and share this video. If someone maybe, in a bad mental health state, and maybe this secret can help him get out of that mental health state, bad mental health state. So let's pay this content forward. It's my request to you. So do a digital cleanup. Next, understand, I want to make a small exercise here. I want to give a small exercise to you guys. Okay, so what I want you to do is, I need you to, snap your fingers. Yeah, snap your fingers on the count of three. 1, 2, 3. I'll say 1, 2, 3. Snap. When I say 1, 2, 3, snap, you need to snap. Okay. I will say 1, 2, 3, snap. Then only you should snap. Okay. Do not snap before or after. Let me repeat. I'll say 1, 2, 3, snap. Then only you should snap. Okay. 1, 2, 3, snap. 1, 2, 3, snap. How many of you snap before I said snap? When I did at 3 like this, many of you would have did it. Correct? I did not say snap, but still you did it. Is it not? If you did, type guilty in the comment box. Type guilty in the comment box if you did the same. Okay? Yeah. So see, understand that when I did 1, 2, 3, and then I snapped without telling snap, you saw the snap and you immediately snapped. See the effect of what you see on your system, on your mental health. Daily and day out, you are seeing all the negative junk. Daily and day out in the social media, you are consuming that. If you keep doing that, then how come the good mental health will manifest in your life? You tell me, how is it possible? It will not happen until and unless you take the initiative to do a digital cleanup. Yes, do a digital cleanup. Unfollow the pages which are making you look negative, making you look small, making your fellow humans look small. Unfollow them. Follow people who are giving out really, really good content out there. There are so many people who are giving out so many content. Why not follow them? Yes, there are many. If you can go, there is Sandeep Maheshwari if you want to go for Hindi and all. So they are having a lot of good content out there. How to change your mindset. And I have given you the biggest secret to increase your mental health 5x. You have to understand that you need to take care of what you put inside your mind, what you see. Mainly is what you see, because number of nerves from the eyes is the greatest to the brain. Okay, that connection is very vast. The nerve network is very huge. So whatever you see directly impacts more. So that's why you see, if you see a particular nightmare or a horror movie or some very action pumped scene, and in the night that plays a lot in your mind. Why? Because it has impacted your brain and it has went and gone deep into the brain. So that's why if you want to change something, if you want to change procrastination, read or watch videos related to procrastination. Mind will pick it up and it will keep on playing it, and it will help you. Okay. So I hope this content really is useful. So you have to make sure you're doing a digital cleanup, and you have to make sure you decide what you see on a daily basis in social media, TV, everywhere. What do you see? You have to make sure. And I gave you the example of snapping. 1, 2, 3. I snapped before I told snap, and I just gave you the example of how it will be, how much it affects. Because I did not say snap, but I snapped when many of you would have already snapped. Okay, so this is the best secret to increase your mental health. I hope you really loved it. If you loved it, share this, pay this content forward, like it. Many people may be, stuck in the trap of the negativeness. Let them come out. Let them, enjoy the good mental health as well. To share this. And if you really love the content, I invite you to my upcoming VIP group. I have a VIP group where I run polls. So this topic was the most voted in my group. So I have made a video on it. Okay, if you want to participate in what content I'm going to put out here on my various social media channels, then you can join my group, which is the link is here. Just go to bit.ly/self healers VIP. Okay, let me just show it here. Just go to bit.ly self healers VIP and you will be redirected to the group where you can join in, and then you can participate in the votes. All right. So looking forward to see you in the group. I hope this content was really useful for you. Share it and start implementing the secret so that you can 5x your mental health. Loving you all so much. Self Healers Hub signing off.